Hey guys, this is Warren. So I'm back again with another update to my platforming game. So, so one of the first things I did was I changed the how the score systems, how the scoring system works a little bit. So, so originally I had the scoring trigger events on the play object themselves, but I decided to move it to the actual gen object. So the reason for that was because sometimes when the play would hit another trigger object that isn't a gem, it would add to the score when it's not supposed to. So I moved the trigger. I moved the trigger events to the gem objects, so the player can only score when they collect a gem. And yeah, so here's a recording for me doing my playing my latest build for this game, and another thing I did was I added a respawn system. So if you hit play, so if I go and I say up onto the spikes, yeah, as you can see, it respawns the player back to the beginning. So the way that works is I use some events and some game actions as well. So first off, I kind of modified the game action script a little, and I created this game action restart game action here. So basically, what that does is that it resets this scene when it's triggered. So the way that works is I added the trigger event well, the trigger game action behavior to these hazards right here, just so they can trigger properly. And I added the restart game action here, and I also, if I can find it, here it is. I also added a scene reset manager here as an empty object. And I also modified the script to include like a delay, so I can change how long it takes before the respawn actually happens. And yeah, so and also another thing I did was I created this a little key here to replace the rectangle object I had earlier, just to make it just a little more better. I mean, yeah, like I said before. So I created this in Houdini, and I have a little color parameter right here, just so I can change the color of the key to whatever I need it to be, and it does pretty much the same thing as before. It's just a different object. So if we go to here, yeah, if I go along, yeah, if I hit the key, the door just opens like before. So yeah. So and another thing I added was for the OddStar was these little clouds right here. So I also made these into DD. So I set the color parameter to white here, but for some reason it shows in a gray color. I'm not entirely sure why. I think it might have something to do with the lighting, but I'll be sure to definitely look into that to make the clouds look white. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this update.